Hey everyone, this is Ashley from Florida Shelling. I bet you are wondering why I am wearing these sexy glasses. Well, it gets better. I also have a very sexy mask to wear today. Today I'm going to be showing you how to drill a hole into a shell, like so. So, this is how you could make jewelry. This is how you could make keychains, anything to do with shells. I'm going to show you how to do it using a Dremel. The Dremel I'm going to be using today, I have the box, is called a Dremel Stylo Plus, and it is under $100, and it comes with a bunch of pieces that you could use. A bunch of sanders and drill bits, a wench. Is that a wench? Wrench? I don't know. I don't use any of those. So for shells, the best drill bit to use is this. It's by Dremel and it's 562. It's a tile cutting bit. This is what they recommend for seashells. Now, because when you drill into seashells, it's the powder, the sand is very toxic, so you don't want to inhale it. It could be cancer causing. At least that's what my mother says, so here we are with the mask. I don't know. Just doing what I'm told 30 years later. And then my goggles. And I wear contacts, and I don't want anything flying into my contacts, or my eyes for that matter, so I have both on. So it's super simple. To get started, you just plug it in, you put in your drill bit, which is the one I showed you. I am foggy enough already. You put it in, hold it, you wind it like that, and then you lock it. Can you hear what I'm saying? Then you lock it. So mine's already in set, it's not going anywhere. To turn it on, you just hit the power button, and it's super simple, on and off. There's no triple clicking, double clicking, none of that. Speeds. It goes up to 5 speeds. So I like to keep mine at 4 unless I have a thicker shell. Then in that case, I go to 5, right there. But I keep it at 4, and then it goes as low as 1. But low would take you forever. So unless you're doing like a jingle shell, I don't know, I wouldn't keep it that low. 4 seems to work pretty well for me. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you. I am going to show you on these 2 shells. I think for this one, because it's a little darker, I'm gonna do a hole down here. And then because this one's lighter, I'm gonna do a hole up here. Okay, 2 shells. This won't take very long, and it's gonna be kind of loud, so I don't turn down the volume if you can. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to adjust this. Okay, my mask is on, mother. Goggles on, father. I don't know, my dad didn't tell me to wear goggles. He just bought me the machine. All right, anyway, here we go. So, turn it on. You pick your spot, and I'm gonna try to do this where you can see it and to where I can see it. This shell is crooked. Oh well. We're not gonna be using it for anything. This is purely a demonstration today. Okay. So, hold on. You pick a spot. It'll wobble around a little bit at first. Okay. So you can see that's our mark. I don't know if you can see it. So this shell is a little thicker. I'm going to turn it up to 5. Okay. Ooh, this is a tough shell. We're getting there. Okay, so this is where we're at so far. This one's taking a little bit longer than I thought it would. It's a tough shell. I actually have never done this shell before. So, some shells are quicker than others, and some aren't. But it looks like we're halfway through, so we're gonna keep going. Key is just keep adding pressure. Look, we're almost there. So you can see the hole. It's almost there. There's like a little sliver showing. All right, so this one's gonna break the ice. Shell, not ice. There's no ice anywhere around here. It's winter. It's the 3rd day of January and I'm in a tank top. Go figure. There it is. All right. And there you go. So this one took a little bit longer than expected. This shell is a little thicker. Usually shells with a lot of ridges like this are harder to go through. That's why, like, if you ever walk the beach and you see shells with naturally formed holes, they're never on shells like this. The ridges make, it's like a protection barrier against enemies and predators, so other animals don't sit there and suck and suck and suck until they themselves drill a hole and then kill them by like giving them, like, seducing them with this like I don't even know what you'd call it, like it makes them feel really good, like take too much pain medication. It's kind of like that, and then they eat the animal inside. Guess it takes a while for them. So there's that, and then I'm going to show you one more, and this shell won't take as long. I just did a demo on my Instagram, and these took way less longer. We're talking like 2 minutes, where this one took like 10 minutes, it looks like. And if you're not following me on Instagram, you should. I'm very active on there, more so than YouTube. My handle is Florida_shelling. And I post like twice a day, and I usually do a couple stories a day. It's pretty fun. I don't know, I like it. But definitely follow me. And if you do anything, like if you drill a hole or anything, make sure you hashtag me. My hashtag is FLShelling. All right, enough jibber jabber. Let's get down to business. All right. So where do we say we're gonna do the hole? Oh yeah, down here, where you can see it. Oh, it's thicker down there. Let's do the top. Oh, I'm fogging up. There we go. All right. Whoop. Oh, let me double make sure I'm locked and loaded. Locked. All right, we're not going anywhere. We don't want this flying anywhere. There it is. Okay, I'm just going to do a little bit more to make it more prominent. There you go. Okay, that shell is like so freaking quicker. And it's a little crooked, but I'm not using the shell for anything. This is quickly, or just a demonstration. And there it is. It's so simple. So this is great for arts and crafts, or if you're going to make something, make wind chimes, I don't know. But you can do it on literally every single type of shell. It doesn't matter if it's like this, if it's like this. You can do it on moon snails. And actually, I make a lot of bracelets, and on my Etsy page, I do a lot of stuff with moon snails, and I drill holes in all of them to make very beautiful bracelets, which of course I don't have next to me. I do them on olives as well. So you can do it on everything. It's pretty cool. Anyway, they're mowing outside, so I guess I'll call that quits. I don't know, it's the 3rd day of January. Kind of new to Instagram, so I haven't had too many videos, but I plan on being more active this year and really get my channel going and doing some really fun stuff with you, other than just like walking the beach. So yeah, if you guys want to see any type of video, let me know in the comments below, and I'll try to make it happen for you. Bye.